Hi guys, welcome to Math with Mr. Husky. Today we're in section 8-3, slope and y-intercept. 3 new definitions for you. Slope is 3 different ways to think of it. It's vertical change over your horizontal change. It's also your rise over your run. And it's also y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Your y-intercept is the point where the line crosses the y-axis. Your slope-intercept form, it's y equals mx plus b, where m is your slope and b is your y-intercept. So example 1, we have to find the slope given the graph. There's multiple ways to do this. The easiest, if you have a graph, is to just count. So we go up to 1, 2, then we go over 1, 2, 3, 4. So we went up 2 and over 4. So again, we rose 2, which if we simplify this, 1 over 2. So we went up 2 and we went right 4. And my slope is 1/2. Another way to think of it is we use these points. If we use y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, negative 6 and 2, negative 2 and 4. Now we can label these, they're both xy, and we can say my first pair is x1, y1, my second pair is x2, y2. And I feel these as my y2 was 4, my y1 was 2, over negative 2 is my x2, minus negative 6. So simplify that, 4 minus 2 is 2, negative 2 minus negative 6 is going to be 4, and I simplify that down to 1/2. Example 2, find the slope. We're given 2 ordered pairs, so we're going to do the second way we just did it on example 1. So I'm going to have x1, y1, x2, y2. So I'm going to fill these in. 3 minus 6 over 4 minus negative 2. Now if I look, my ordered pairs go on top of each other. I need to make sure it stays like that. So 3 minus 6 is negative 3. 4 minus negative 2 is going to change to 4 plus 2 is 6. And then I simplify negative 1 over 2. Example 3. Identify the slope and the y-intercept and then graph. So if we remember, my form is y equals mx plus b. M equals my slope. B equals my y-intercept. So my slope is always the number next to x. So it looks like negative 1/3 is my slope, and my number by itself is my y-intercept, so positive 2. And the way I graph this is I use my graph. I start with my y-intercept. I go up my y-axis, and I say, there's my y-intercept 2. Add some dash marks here. From that dot, I need to use my slope. So my rise equals negative 1. My run equals 3. So negative means I'm going to go down. So from this point, I'm going to go down 1. My run is positive, so I'm going to move to the right. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to put another dot there. And then 2 points, I draw my line. And there's my graph for it. That's all, guys. Don't forget to subscribe.